Yo, what's going on, my boys? Arno G. Summer here. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money if you're broke, okay? If you're a broke teenager or you are a broke adult, if you're broke for whatever reason, you don't have any money to invest, you're short on money, doesn't matter what it is, I'm going to give you a proven way that will work for you. And I'm going to give you a way to make money online, make money with affiliate marketing that I would do if I was broke at this very moment, okay? So this is advice that I would personally follow. In fact, I followed this advice in the past, okay? So this stuff works. So first we're going to be talking about finding a niche, super important. Secondly, we're going to be talking about offers. And thirdly, traffic, okay? Picking a niche, finding an offer, and generating traffic. Those three things we're going to be talking about. If you want to help me out with the YouTube algorithm, then please annihilate the like button for me. In case you're not subscribed to my channel yet, hit that red subscribe button right underneath the video. So online, the two main niches are weight loss and business op, okay? Those niches people will spend money on no matter what, okay? Because, you know, people who want to make money, people who want to improve their lives, they're willing to spend money in order to do that. Because they understand that, okay, if they want to make 3K, 5K, doesn't matter what the number is, a month, they need to spend money, they need to put in effort in order to get there, right? And the second one is definitely weight loss. So weight loss is a great niche because it's a niche where people are really desperate, okay? So the higher the desperation, the greater your chance to generate a sale, to make a sign up, right? To generate a conversion. So I recommend business op, number 1, and 2, weight loss, okay? If you want to make money with no money to invest, if you want to generate money in affiliate marketing, those two niches are always going to be great, okay? There's great volume, a lot of people need it because a lot of people struggle financially. It's not just you, it's not just the other people that are watching my channel. A ton of people, millions and millions of people in North America struggle to make money online. But also worldwide, I mean, we got billions of people that need more money, right? So business op is great for that reason. Let's talk about finding an offer, okay? You need offers, okay? And what I would recommend is, let's say you want to promote a make money online product, right? Let's say you're a guy that likes business op, and that's actually a whole other topic that you should be focused on something that you're interested in, okay? You gotta promote stuff that you're interested in. Very important, okay? Because you need to enjoy the process. The process that I'm teaching you today is actually easy, but you still need to enjoy it, right? Otherwise you're going to give up. So I recommend going to Odigger, it's odigger.com, and have a look at some make money online products, some business op products, okay? Just use their search engine and take a look at what's available, okay? So you type in the term, you type in the keyword, and you're being presented with a ton of offers that are available on different networks, okay? So step 1 is go to odigger.com, type in the keyword, and you know, you're gonna find a ton of make money online business op offers. And once you found some offers, now the question is, what are you looking for in terms of payout, right? Because you're gonna see offers paying as little as maybe $5 or $10, but you're also gonna see offers that pay as much as $1,000 or $2,000. So what are you going to choose, right? I recommend targeting the higher end of things. You're always going to make more money if you go with higher end offers, like something that pays like $500 commission or $1,000 commission. You know, look for those offers. Those are the offers that you want to target. So once you're an Odigger, right? So you click on the join network link, or you simply check out the network, okay? So you can only promote the offer if you are accepted into the network that has the offer. That's obvious, but maybe some people don't know that. So you gotta apply, okay? You go on their website, you fill out the affiliate application form, and make sure you're as detailed as possible. And you're simply gonna tell them how you're gonna promote the offers, and you're gonna mention that you're gonna use Facebook traffic to promote the offers, okay? Facebook traffic is what we're going to be using, okay? Facebook traffic. So once you got that, then you apply, and again, you want to apply to more networks, right? You want to apply to more networks. You don't just want to apply to one network, because what are the odds of you getting approved, right? If you got no track record of success, your chances aren't that great. What happens if you don't get approved? I want to give you some more strategy here, because a lot of people are new. A lot of people ask questions like, can I do affiliate marketing in Malaysia? Or can I do affiliate marketing from Brazil? Can I do affiliate marketing from Estonia, Europe, right? You may have those questions. So you want to apply to the network, and you got to be confident, okay? You got to be confident, okay? Even if you have no results right now, you still need to be confident in your ability to market, okay? So one thing that I recommend, okay, as soon as you submitted the application, okay? As soon as you submitted the application, I recommend that you go ahead and search for the name of the CPA network, okay? Search for the name. Simply go to LinkedIn. It's linkedin.com. Okay? Search for the name and have a look at their affiliate managers, okay? Have a look at them, and then simply contact 2 or 3 of them. You know, just like tell them, hey, you know what? I applied for 10 minutes ago. I applied to your network, and I'm looking to promote this offer. And you're going to refer the offer that you found on odigger.com or offerworld.com, whatever CPA affiliate marketing search engine you used, right? So go on there. Leverage off of LinkedIn. It's really effective, okay? It doesn't cost you anything. You can create an account within maybe 30 to 60 minutes. Just go on their website. It's linkedin.com. Just open up the account, confirm it by email, and then go ahead and fill out your profile description. You know, just write a bit of a summary, you know, like show that you're passionate about digital marketing. Just show that in your description, right? And if you have an existing company, you can put it in there as well, and put any work experiences in there. You can also ask people who worked with you in the past to leave you a testimonial, a recommendation on your LinkedIn profile. I mean, there's so much you can do with LinkedIn, right? So you want to use LinkedIn as leverage to get approved into CPA or affiliate networks. Now, once you have had some success, okay? Once you are approved into, let's say, 2 to 3 CPA affiliate networks, right? Let's say you got into Max Bounty, even if you just opened up an account on ClickBank, doesn't matter. Then it's time to start promoting offers, okay? So you're gonna grab the offer, you're gonna log into your CPA affiliate account, grab the offer, grab your affiliate link, make sure you have a look at the terms of service. That's actually really important. Make sure that they actually allow you to promote the offer with the traffic source that you have. So you're gonna be using Facebook, because you wanna stay compliant, right? If the network is not okay with social traffic, especially Facebook, you wanna use something else. You wanna find another offer, because the last thing you want is to get booted from the CPA or affiliate network. You don't want that, right? Once you got that done, right, then the next thing would be to just to have a look at the affiliate page, like learn about the product, understand the product you're selling. Like it's unbelievable how many people don't understand or are not interested in the product that they're selling. That's fake. So if you don't enjoy something, then don't do it. So it's really important, just take a look at the product page, know at least what the customer will get. You want to use this in your marketing. So inform yourself about the product, super, super important. Now the final step is to promote the offer via Facebook, okay? And the way you're gonna promote it is by leaving comments on posts, okay? And you're also gonna be making posts yourself, but you have to be a little bit conservative for a start. I mean, you don't just wanna go out there and start like spamming groups like crazy. You don't wanna do that. So you wanna start replying to comments, let's say a person made a post in a group and maybe they were asking for help, or maybe they started a topic, like talking about an experience. It doesn't matter what it is. Make a comment there, okay? And the comment needs to relate to the product that you have, okay? So let's say we're using a Make Money Online product, right? And that person says, hey, you know what? I struggled to make money online, or I don't really know how to create a Google Ads campaign, right? And let's say on a CPA or affiliate network, you found a product that actually covers that, okay? That teaches how to create a Google ad campaign. Let's say on a CPA network or affiliate network, you found a product or a course that teaches how to set up a Google ad campaign, you know? Let's say you found that and you want to say, hey, you know what? I tried this course, or I found this course, and it teaches you every detail that you need to know about this subject. And then you're gonna leave your affiliate link in the description. Actually, not the affiliate link. You're gonna take your affiliate link, right? Take your affiliate link and shorten it with a site like bit.ly. Okay, it's a free shortener. So you take the affiliate link, you shorten it, and once it's shortened, it's gonna be pretty good because it's gonna be a shorter link, right? And you can easily add that link in a Facebook comment, right? You can also use other shorteners. There are many out there. So that's it, right? That's the whole Facebook trick, right? You don't have to spend a single dollar on Facebook advertising. You don't need to, right? Facebook ads, it's expensive. It may or may not work. And if it doesn't work, you're never going to be able to get your money back. So I recommend that you do that, okay? For a start, right, what's the strategy? You're gonna make like, say 10 posts a day, okay? Just stay consistent, you know? You can even copy paste the same post, right? If you want a little bit more variation, then alter the post, right? Alter the post. But again, you wanna still provide value in your comment, right? And you really wanna be mindful, okay? You don't just wanna say, hey, sign up for my product, and boom, here's the link. You don't just want to tell people to sign up to the product, right? You want to provide some useful information, like some content, you know, that relates to the problem the person has. That's so effective, okay? Like you can literally get like, you know, 50 to 100 clicks to your offer every single day. Think about that, 50 to 100 clicks every single day with this free traffic strategy. It's incredible. It's incredible. It doesn't cost you a single dollar. Anyone can do it. The only requirement is that you found a niche. Okay, step number 1, you found a niche. Step number 2, you joined a couple affiliate or CPA networks and you do the posting. Step number 3, you do the posting, right? Step number 3, you do the posting. That's all it takes, right? That's how easy it is. Guys, I mean, if I wasn't making money right now, that's what I would do. That's exactly what I would do because it's easy, it's free, it's just copy paste, super, super easy stuff, okay? You can make money as a beginner and invest nothing and build it up to 50 to 100 bucks a day on average. That's what I would do. If I was broke right now, it's what I would do to get to like 50 to 100 bucks a day and then use that money for paid traffic, right? But if you don't have any money, you can't borrow any money, or you don't have anything, what are you gonna do? You gotta hustle. It doesn't just happen by accident, you know? I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to make money, even if you're broke, if you are a broke teenager, if you are a broke adult, doesn't matter how you ended up broke. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button. Also subscribe below in case you're not subscribed to my channel yet. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. What do you want me to discuss in the next video? Do you want me to talk about another free traffic method, or do you want me to talk about paid traffic? No matter what it is, leave a comment below. If you want the next video to be on a free traffic source, please comment free traffic source below. If you want the next video to be on anything specific like Google ads or Facebook ads, then comment Google ads or Facebook ads below. We're gonna make that video happen for you.